Okay, so today I went to the pick and pull and I found this. It was in a Mazda Protégé, and I went up to the pick and pull counter to pay for it, and the guy just laughed at me and said, whatever, like, take it. So I said, okay. But you know, I'm not gonna try to thieve a cigarette lighter, but I was really excited to find this. And I'm hoping it's kind of a universal fit because I'm going to try to put it in the Grand Marquis. So let's see if it fits. Here's the cigarette lighter. And what do you know? It does seem to fit, but let's, let me turn the car on. See if this thing warms up. I wonder how long it takes. Does the car need to actually be on? Or is it is it enough if just, I don't know. I'm so not patient. Is it hot? No, it's not hot. Okay, let me, the seat is too far away. I gotta scooch up so I can reach the pedal. And then I can turn it on. There we go. Okay. And we'll just wait and see if we got cigarettes. Cigarette lighter. Is it gonna work? I'll be pretty excited if it does. And I'll be a little disappointed if it doesn't, to be honest. And then I also found a little bit of money. 12 cents. This car came with 12 cents. So, how about that? Do a little, rev it up a little bit. See if that helps get the cigarette lighter charged up faster. Okay, is it gonna pop? I mean, I feel like it's taking a long time. No, it's totally cold. So maybe it's not gonna work. Which is, I mean, honestly, it's not that big a deal because I don't smoke, but you know, it'd just be nice to have a working cigarette lighter. The engine's strong, but the cigarette lighter game is really weak. Yeah, nothing. Oh, that's a bummer. Well, it looks good. At least it's it looks like it's got a cigarette lighter. It's just not a functioning one. But it's interesting, don't you think, that it's kind of like a universal fit? These cigarette lighters. Just light up. It's kind of hard to see in there, but the first time I put it in there, there was all this change in there. I had to dig it out. Well, I thought maybe by turning the car on and revving the engine a little bit, the cigarette lighter I might have a little bit better luck, but it doesn't seem to be the case. Oh, and here's another thing. Check air suspension. So this, when I start driving this car, or once it's been on for a little while, can you see that light? The check air suspension light comes on. And I don't know what the deal is with that, but I'm gonna just ignore it and assume that, okay, I've checked my air suspension. It's just telling me to check it, so okay, it's checked. I don't know. I'm more interested in the cigarette lighter situation and why it's not heating up. It should be hot by now, and there's nothing. It's cold, 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 cold. Oh well, that's okay. I had fun at the pick and pull, and I got a little cigarette lighter that doesn't work. Oh, and I also installed this air freshener. So, you know, that's kind of snazzy. Marquis Mark. Such a good car. My lip gloss. My juicy tube. There's the Mercury symbol there. I was looking for a door panel. I'd really like to get a new, this looks like it's kind of taped together. I'd love to get a new door panel for this. And also like it's broken right there as well. But maybe next time. Toodles, toot toot.